Hello and welcome to this video, where we'll guide you step by step to efficiently set up your DX Trade platform. Whether you're new to trading or already have some experience, this tutorial will be very useful for optimizing your workspace, customizing your charts, and effectively managing your orders. So get ready to enhance your productivity and make the most of your trades. Let's get started. First, we'll navigate to the pricing table to select the account size that best suits our needs, and then select the preferred account type, whether regular or swing. We'll fill in the necessary information in the required fields. Then select the terms and conditions as well as the refund policy. Additionally, we'll have the option to subscribe to our newsletter if you wish to receive exclusive promotions and updates. Once this step is completed, we'll proceed to finalize the order, which will take us to the payment confirmation page. At this stage, the order will be pending, and you will have the option to choose between paying by card or cryptocurrency. After the payment is made, you will receive 3 emails in your inbox, confirming the transaction details and the status of your account. As we can see, once the payment has been confirmed, we have received this email, which includes the transactions confirmation and the corresponding account details. In this email, we can view important information, such as our broker's name, our registered email, the assigned password, the server name, and the corresponding account number. In this section, we have the option to directly access the DX Trade platform, where we can quickly and easily execute our trades. In this section, you can log in with the information provided in your email. When you launch the platform, your screen will look similar to the provided reference image. To optimize performance and avoid lag, it is recommended to use all unnecessary tabs that you are not actively using. This will allow you to operate more efficiently. Remove default list. To remove default list, close the right section by clicking on the X. To create your own list, click the drop-down arrow on the default list and select Duplicate to my list. To remove instruments, right-click on the instruments you won't use and select Close Instrument. To customize columns, click the 3 lines at the top left and select Column Customization. As an example, we'll add the spread column. Remove any unnecessary columns and add those that you're interested in by clicking the plus button next to that table. Adding instruments. If you only trade a few instruments, start with a blank list. In the upper left corner, click on Default Watch List and select Create Your List. Name your new list. Then go to All tab and search for the instrument pairs you wish to add. Color customization. Customize the colors of the candles and adjust display options to suit your preferences. Add indicators. To add technical indicators, select the desired indicator and drag it onto the chart. Once you have configured your chart, save the setup as the default by clicking the gear icon and selecting Save as Default. This will allow you to retain your settings in future sections. Save the workspace. Once you have configured and organized the charts as desired, save your workspace. In the upper right corner, next to the 3 lines, click Save Layout As. Assign a name to your layout and you're all set. Use the available drawing tools similar to those you know from TradingView. These tools allow you to draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and other visual elements for your analysis. Set alerts. To set alerts on your chart, right-click on the price level or area of interest and select Set Alert. This will allow you to receive notification when the price reaches the indicated level, keeping you informed without needing to constantly monitor the chart. Order types. Market orders executed at the current market price, making them useful for quickly entering a trade when there's no need to wait for a specific price. Limit orders allow you to buy or sell at a specific price you set. These are useful for establishing desired entry and exit points, ensuring the trade only executes if the price reaches that level. Stop orders. Stop order. These orders activate when the price reaches a predefined level. They can be used to both enter a trade and protect a position, helping to limit losses or secure profits. OCO orders, one cancels other. This order combines two instructions where, upon executing one, the other is automatically canceled. It's ideal for managing risk by simultaneously setting a stop loss and a take profit, allowing precise control over trade exits. Lot size calculation. Suppose your balance is 100,000 and you want to risk 0.5% of your account. This means you risk 500. If your stop loss is 10 pips and each pip equals 10 multiplied by 10 equals 5 lots. Modifying orders. Adjustments after execution. If you want to adjust the stop loss or take profit, simply click and drag the levels on the chart. You can double-click the order on the Orders tab to directly edit the stop loss or take profit prices. Closing positions. To close an open position, click the X next to the corresponding trade. If you wish to close only a portion of the position, select the amount you want to close and click Close. Alerts and notifications. To stay informed about significant movements, set alarms to notify you when the prices reaches specific levels. With this, we conclude our tutorial on setting up and efficiently using the DXTrade platform. Throughout the video, we have covered everything from creating watch lists and customizing charts to actively managing orders and positions, providing you with the tools needed to optimize your trading experience. If you have any further questions or need support, our team is available to assist at any time. We also invite you to subscribe to our newsletter and follow us on social media to stay informed of future updates and promotions. Thank you for trusting Rocket 21 and choosing DXTrade as your trading platform. We are committed to your success and wish you all the best in your trading journey.